How to fix Snapchat device ban. Let's get started. Have you suddenly faced a device ban error on Snapchat and you are not sure what caused it or how to fix it? Watch this video till the end for some effective solutions. Your device might have been banned from Snapchat because the platform's automated system detected something suspicious. This could be due to unusual login activity, someone spinning spam from a device, or maybe even sending too many snaps in a short time or following a lot of people, which can appear spammy to Snapchat. Snapchat aims to keep everyone safe by blocking anything that seems risky. If you are dealing with a Snapchat device ban, the first step is to ensure that your app is up to date. For this, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Likewise, next thing you want to do is uninstall this app and reinstall it. For that, hit back, press and hold on the Snapchat app, click on the option of Delete app. After you delete the app, you can launch your Play Store or App Store and then download it. Then you can go ahead and try to log in. If the previous methods don't work, contact Snapchat support for assistance is another way to go. Visit the Snapchat Submit a Request page, launch your preferred browser and then type in help.snapchat.com. Now here you have to submit a request. Select the option I can't access my account. Then select the option my account is locked. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here you have to provide the details of your account. Type in the username, email address, mobile number, then go ahead and explain in detail about the issue. After you type in, you can submit it. After completion of 24 hours, Snapchat support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and with that your problem will be resolved. So these are the ways to fix Snapchat device ban. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.